Meanwhile, passengers and drivers inside public utility vehicles that crash or collide with other cars on the road and end up fatally or sustaining serious injuries have better insurance coverage than those in privately owned vehicles who end up in the same predicament and have the typical third-party liability insurance coverage. Meanwhile, let's check that this hugely unfair setup, which the president seeks to amend by hopefully expanding insurance coverage on privately owned cars at par with PUVs under the Passenger Protection Accident Insurance Policy. Our Charms Espina fills us in this report.
Despite long work hours and sleepless nights, Alvin Salmingo never sleeps during his jeepney ride to work. He stays alert, holding onto the handles for safety.
Parati pa akong gising. Kung ano pa yung dinadaan, tinitingnan po kasi baka may lumagpas ka dun sa daan or may accident nga na mangyari. So dapat doble ingat.
In the past weeks, road accidents have been making headlines. Among them, a jeepney that swerved and overturned in Quezon City, killing 2 and injuring 16 others. And a multi-vehicle collision on SCTEX that left 10 people dead. President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. ordered the Department of Transportation to maximize insurance benefits for road accident victims for public and private vehicles. An insurance is an agreement wherein a person or business pays a premium in exchange for protection against potential risks.
Bigyan ng Pangulo na ang priority talaga natin yung safety ng ating mga pasahero. No, and nakita naman natin yung mga hindi magandang mga nangyari nung nakaraang linggo. May mga namatay, may mga malubhang nasaktan. So, ang insurance, napaka-importante niyan. And ang panawagan ng Pangulo, itaas ng todo ang insurance.
Under the Passenger Personal Accident Insurance Policy, each passenger in a public utility vehicle is entitled to up to 400 pesos in case of death due to an accident. For private vehicles, passengers may receive up to 200,000 pesos to be shared among victims.
Itapat ang insurance sa pribado dun sa PUV. Tingin ko napakagandang idea po niyan. At yan po ang pipilitin nating magawa. At kakausapin natin ang LTO at utusan natin ang LTO at LTFRB na kailangan i-impose natin yan. No? Kasi lalo na ngayon na talagang kita natin sa dami ng mga aksidente.
The DOTR plans to implement the higher insurance coverage within the year. But first, they need to coordinate with public transport operators to discuss the possible impact on fares and operations.
Siyempre, wala namang libre sa mundo. No? May kailangan magbayad ng mas mataas na premium ng insurance. Ngayon, titignan natin kung paano ang pwedeng gawin dyan. No? At ano ang mga regulasyon ang pwedeng ano. Pero ang sabi ng Pangulo, nag-agree tayo sa sinabi ng Pangulo, yan ang utos ng Pangulo, kaya gagawin natin. Bottom line dito, safety ng pasahero, peace of mind ng pasahero, peace of mind ng pamilya ng pasahero, na pagkasya sumakay sa bus, sa jeep.
But for some drivers, there are other concerns.
Kung ano man yung sinasabi nila na todo for each ulo na nasa loob ng private vehicle, I think that's okay. Sobrang importante, bawat buhay na nasa loob ng vehicle is important.
Ang dapat nilang asikasuhin, yung safety natin sa sa kalsada, hindi yung insurance. Kamukha nung nangyari sa Terminal 1. Ano bang nangyari doon? Di ba ang may problema doon, hindi yung bowler.
For the Transportation Department, safety remains the top priority. Today, they are set to meet with the Task Force for Road Safety Policy and Procedures to ensure that drivers are well informed and in good condition, health-wise, and to make sure that vehicles on the road are safe and roadworthy. This is Charms Espina from PTV Manila for Balitang Pambansa.